Photo yourself. Maybe you should take that. Give it to me. Oh, let go. And that's what happened to my brackets. I took the key off me. I had to eat my keyboard. Oh, the poor bird. That's terrible. What? I'm not going in for another key. No. I win. Tickles, tickling, tickling, tickles.